Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to delete a line. So as example, I will create line in here. You can type -3 times and then press enter to create line. Now if you want to delete this line, you can go to the table tools. Like I will click in this point and click after this table tools. You can use the no border. So to be erase the line. To create again, so you can type -3 times and then you can press enter, and then to delete you can click and then change the table border into no border. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to delete a line. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.